Alright guys, Carl and Cardi here again guys, back to part 2 of this video of this Stetson let me see 13,000 or is that what it is? Something like that guys. Hold on, let me see if I see it on the board here guys, so so I can tell you guys, yeah, this part 2 of this Stetson guys that I promise you guys so much. This is the 1 version, and hold on, where is it printed again? Let me see guys, remember it off the top of my head. Alright guys, so it is the EX 13,500 guys. EX 13,500 guys. So yeah, EQ. EX 13,500 EQ. Yes guys, so expert line. Yes guys, expert line guys. This one, the Stetson right here guys. So yeah. Alright guys, I promised you guys the finding. I said okay, I think everything is okay with it because it pour on and everything looks, I was reading right, but it wasn't like that guys. It wasn't like that. I have to replace this MOSFET driver IC, and there's another one to it. The thing, it's a little driver. It's a little mini driver. Yeah. So I'm going to tell you the number of it. So if whenever guys listen with this amplifier, whenever you have like these, you have to replace this output here. Whenever, sometimes you might get lucky, sometimes no. But if you do and you replace all the outputs, and and everything is okay, or sometimes one side burned. Okay, with this one it was only one side, it was only this side, but I end up have to change. I do both, because of the problem I encounter after, because I wasn't getting any signal. It wasn't voltage coming to these and everything, and I realized that it wasn't sending out anything. So I said no, something is wrong with the driver stage or something. And yeah, I was right, something was wrong with the driver stage. So I replaced this one and this little mini one right here, this mini driver right here, and still nothing. Amplifier comes on, light up everything, blue, nothing, it's not in protection mode or anything. And only to find out guys, the other one on this side, I said, no, I think that's okay, I'm gonna leave it alone. And guys, I've been playing around. I said, no, I want to replace it. Then I was something said, no, there's no way that could be bad, man. Guys, lo and behold, I just replaced both of them. I replaced this plus the little mini one, yeah, right here. All right, so yeah, and for the big one here, guys, which is this one here, the number, the driver, I see the number is IR 25607S. IR 25607S. And for this one here, this little mini one right here, guys, let me give you the number for it. Yeah, because I buy a bunch of it. This is 14011BG. 14011BG. This is the on brand here. So this is the original brand, like the one that was inside of it. So yes guys, so now I tested just now, yeah, and I get audio from it since I've done that to it, and I was like, holy wow. I was doubting myself all this time, and I said, come on, man. I figured out something with the driver stage or the preamp stage, and I was like, no. So I said, no, the driver stage, because from my knowledge and everything that I got, some people say, oh, get a scope, you'd figure out that long time. Listen, if you don't know how to use that scope and stuff like that, you still wouldn't figure out how to do it. You have to know how to read it properly. A scope, you can't just have a scope. It's not like that. Yeah. So I do my own way of, figure it out my own way. And I did figure it out. And it didn't take me long. It just that it take me, because I didn't have the time. I work, as I told you guys, full time. So yeah, I didn't have a lot of time to sit down with it and stuff like that. But yeah, guys. So let me give you guys a little. Let me see. Yeah. Okay, let me see if I put a can get find a speaker where I can. Let me just put one here for now. I'm not gonna play harder, guys. I'm just gonna test it with the jack plug and my finger on it. You know how it goes, guys. Yeah, because I'm tired of this copyright. There's a lot of stuff they give copyright for right now, which I don't even know. But these are, hold on, guys. Hold on. Yeah, hold on. I can do a tune test. Hold on, guys. Give me a minute. Let's turn this thing down. I almost forgot, guys. I download this audio thing on my phone. Yeah, this stuff will test the bass. This goes. This thing. This is down. Up, right there. All right. So let's see. Let's go to audio. Let's go to some audio, guys. Come on, something. Who's messing with me, guys? Come on. What is not going on here? This thing is acting up, guys. Come on, up. Wow. Heck is this thing, man? All I did have to do is I did just slide it down. I see all my apps and getting your phone ready. Man, guys, this is what I hate sometimes. Hey, I tell you. Why does this thing keep coming on this phone, man? Oh, man. Alright, let me go to the page. I found one of them. So yeah, I have the hertz, guys, as you see. You can test the hertz. Yeah. So I'm gonna test it at 28. Oh hell no, I'm gonna go further because I test it at 34. Alright guys, so let me hold on. I want you guys to see that this really pours on. I don't know if I showed you guys before that it does pour on. So yeah, turn it on a little. Hold on. Let me do it like this, guys. So yeah, you guys can't see. Yeah. The speaker is not screwed down. Let me screw it down right now so it doesn't spark or anything if it does play. Okay, so let me show you guys. Always replace those driver MOSFET IC. That's down. Right, so let me down up a little. Let me switch it on. Right there, right? See that? That's the blue light right there, guys. Blue light. Alright. Uh-oh. Turn the phone down. Where's the speaker over here? That's it right here, guys. So yep. I don't practice doing this, guys, with the amplifier like this. Don't ever do that. These things will get hot. The MOSFET right here will get hot. And these are running really normal to normal temperature. So yeah. Just to let you guys, see said, it's working. It's up and running. So yes, guys. So that's prepare for this. Guys, I never leave you guys out of anything. I told you exactly what I did and stuff like that. Yes, guys, you can repair amplifier, guys, if you follow my videos without a scope. But the best thing, guys, do get a scope and learn to read the scope and stuff like that. But the reason why I do it like this, guys, when a lot of people they say, "Oh, come on, get this and stuff like that," they don't understand where I'm from. This is how we used to do it. You understand? And Some people say, all right, yeah, we know that. Those days are gone. Come on, listen. If you ever have your scope broken one day and you can't do it, what are you gonna do? That's the thing, guys. I have a lot of stuff in my head, a lot of tricks of way to figuring out stuff. But some people don't understand. Say that's what carry me through. That's how I know to do a lot of stuff. So if I'm working one day, even my meter, guys, this multimeter, I can get a battery meter with a two AAA battery, two AAA or AA battery with the light, and I can go through a circuit and figure out certain little stuff with it, what's not working right, and a lot of stuff. If something shutting out and repair. Guys, that's where I start. That's where I start from. I start from one tester like that one time to figure out, it possibly when diode bad, the light and stuff. Bro, guys, listen. You guys, you have a lot to learn. Some people don't understand, but here is like scope, 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 scope. Back in Jamaica when I used to repair, guys, you couldn't even afford a scope. Believe me, it was too expensive. So a lot of stuff I do, yeah, I do it off what I really do. If I was doing this like full time, guys, definitely I would have a scope and fully video. I do have a scope, guys. Not cheating. I do have a scope, guys. But believe me, too, I know a lot of stuff off the top of my head and can figure out a lot of stuff. I just say, hey, I just leave it for now. Because, even if I'm going to hook up the scope, I'm going to have to show you guys double the screen and stuff like that. And I use my phone to record, guys. So a lot of stuff I wouldn't, how to show you and stuff like that. It would be hard. So I don't have a camera like, set up on system like that. Because I only do this part-time on my phone. So, yeah, I just want people to understand that's the thing and where I'm coming from. You understand? But I'm gonna do my scoping because I'm already testing with my scope and stuff. But guys, I'm not showing you that as yet. I have to perfect it first before I said yeah. Show you guys what I learned and what stuff like that. But I do have a scope, yeah. But yeah, I do have one. So yes, guys. So I have one of the Antec. Yes, guys, the Antec about 52 some. I don't remember the brand. How it goes. It's over there. Yeah, put it over there somewhere. So yeah, I do have one of the Antec, guys. Yeah, but yeah, guys, just make sure you replace these IC, guys. Always these guys. Let me show you. Yep. These. Let me count them here. 1, 2, 3, 4. And here, guys, you did have the signal diode. They were bad, and I replaced this signal diode for your. Two of them was bad. I ended up replacing all 4 signal diode, and I replaced the output, which is the IRGP4066D. Yes, guys, I replaced all 8 of them. You understand? 4 on this side, 4 on that side, guys, and yep. And these driver MOSFET here and driver pre-driver, or what some people call it, something else, and our quad or some, and yep, and all 8 output MOSFET and 4 signal diode for it. Yeah, and yep, it's up and running, guys, as you can see. And yep, that's how you do it, guys. And for the power supply MOSFET, guys, it uses the IRFB 428. The Banda use these too. Some of the Banda use these same power supply MOSFET, guys. Yes, guys. So yep, it's up and running, guys, and that's how we do it, guys, here at Cardi and Cardi, guys. Yep. A lot of people don't like when I do my stuff, but yeah, I do get it working, guys, and I figure out my stuff. So yeah, if you can't do it that way and only buy scope you want to see, this channel is not for you. This channel for people who want to figure out stuff without, if you don't have a scope or stuff like that, or, way of going through without, that's way. And I think that's our brilliant way of figuring out stuff. If you can, but some people don't understand. But that's the way it is, guys. Not everybody gonna like you. Some people just don't like you for everything. Some people don't like you for your voice. Some people don't like you for just you. So I don't really care, guys. I know that, I'm old enough to figure that out. I'm 41 years old. I've been through a lot, so I know stuff. But yes, guys. So please like, subscribe if you like what you see, guys. And Cardi and Cardi, guys, out for now. All right, enough respect. All right.